Yo, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house, and in today's episode, we're gonna talk about doubles, blah blah blah. We're gonna talk about Nuwellis. That's the name of the company, Nuwellis, and their ticker symbol is N as in Nancy, U as in under, W as wearable, E as in electric. Nuwellis. And what is Nuwellis? Let's talk about it. Well, first of all, recently on December 12th, the company did a 1-for-100 stock split. Doubles, what do you think about that? A 1-for-100 stock split. And that's particularly interesting because it left the company with 315,000 shares. So the float is a super duper micro small float, which means that if you sneeze, it can go parabolic one way or the other, doubles. One way or the other, because the float is super, super thin, razor thin. It also means that there's not a lot of liquidity. So you get caught one way or the other with this bad boy. Okay, all right. Let me begin by saying I'm not a financial advisor. We are not financial advisors. We are not stock professionals. This is not stock advice. This is not financial advice. This is a show, doubles. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Show. Yeah, that's what this is, a show. So let's get going with this. Now, if you want to know about our IPO picks before anyone else, for $5 a month, we have a Discord for the IPOs. There's a link in the description that you can click if you want to know what our pre-market picks are. We've had some doozies. This past Friday, today's December 17th, 2022. On December 16th, 2022, our pre-market pick was COSM that ran 7,000%. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Just saying. We didn't tell you to buy. We didn't tell you what to do. We just see what we see, and we put it out there, and then it's up to you to do your due diligence. You, please. All right. That's basically that. So let's move on. The company is a medical device company for kidney treatment. This is the website. It's okay as a website. There goes the kidney machine, okay? The main thing is there was a reverse split and there's only 350,000 shares afloat. That's the big thing in my eyes. The float is so small. They actually put out news on the 13th that they lowered heart failure in hospitals where their devices are being used. And that was enough to let the stock start moving upward. And of course it moved upward, doubles, and then it started moving back down again. So the stock is super duper mobile one way or another. And the bottom line is, from our perspective, if we can catch it as a day trade and catch it on its way up, we're going to day trade it. We're not doing anything other than that. I mean, I'm not particularly crazy about the company. I don't like it or dislike it. It's just, it's not a stock that I'm holding long term. It's a day trade for us. Not advice. You do you. We're not professional stock advisors. We're not financial planners. We are just doing a show, doubles. What he says. Yeah. Okay. So that news came out. It had a pretty big run up, and then the price action went down. Okay. Then on Friday, December 16th, 2022, which was yesterday. Today is the 17th. Most people had their eye on COSM. We did too, but we kept our eye on NUWE, and guess what? The price ran to a high of $11.87, and we didn't see any news, doubles. We don't know why it did that. Volume went up. Is news coming? They do put news out periodically, so maybe news is coming, and of course the price retracted from that high of 11.87. Again, it's a low float stock. But watch this. Within the past 4 weeks, the stock went up as high as, ready for this double? $18.50. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hey! So, we're not telling you to buy it. We're not telling you not to buy it. We're just telling you that it's on our watch list. This is what we're doing. We're going to keep an eye on it because it's a possible day trade for us. Okay, indelibles. That's basically it. Doubles, you want to say goodbye to the indelibles? Bye. Bye-bye. It's Coach Nick, and I'm out of here. Peace, ladies and gents. Bye-bye.